So this is the flat type sample. So typical example, it may be any metal. So this is the flat sample holder. So we can hold the sample at this area. This is the working electrode like a sample holder. We just position here. So just to keep the contact on the top side, tight it firmly, then make it straight. Again hold properly and the entire assembly have a firm tight. Okay, now the sample is fitted. So insert the reference electrode in the compartment. Okay. Insert the counter electrode in the compartment. Fill the solution here. Let it fill. Then insert the purger. Start purging the sample for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can make the connection. This is working electrode, reference electrode and counter electrode. Please stop the purging during the experiment. So this is